Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, download MetaTrader 5, create your account, and then after that we can start. Because right now what we're gonna do is we want to create ourselves a position with a stop loss on gold. So what you're gonna do is click here and click to add, search here for XAU, and then select right here XAU gold to US dollar. Now we have it standing right here, we throw it to the chart, and now what we're gonna do is we click here on new order. So you will find here the order. Now you need to decide how much you want to buy, so select right here the volume. So let's say we want to buy a little bit less. So I want to buy 0.01 right here of gold. And then now this is the moment where you guys were looking for, because right now if you click here on stop loss, we can click here on the plus, and this means that he will automatically close or trade when he will hit that amount, and then he will stop our losses. So let's say we fill in right here 5000, and this means now that if he hit 5k, he will automatically close or trade. So right now we click here on buy by market, and now if you can see right here on this trade, it's standing here at SL, that means stop loss at 5 grand. So that means that when he will hit 5k, he will close or trade. So this is how you can stop loss right here on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.